Hi everyone, and welcome to Saturday Science Explorers. Today we're going to make a volcano that erupts right here in your home. Don't worry, it's not real lava, just an amazing chemical reaction. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need to make your very own erupting volcano. Baking soda, the star of the show. Vinegar. This will make the magic happen. Dish soap to make it extra bubbly. Food coloring to give your lava some color, and a small bottle or container to be your volcano. Got everything? Great! Let's get ready for some explosive fun. First, set up your volcano. If you want to get creative, you can build a volcano around your bottle using clay Play-Doh or even paper mache, or just use the bottle as it is. It'll work either way. Place it on a tray or a surface you don't mind getting a little messy. Now for the fun part. Add about 2 tablespoons of baking soda to your bottle. This is the fuel for your eruption. Next, squirt in some dish soap, about a tablespoon, to make your lava nice and bubbly. And finally, add a few drops of food coloring to give your lava some fiery flair. I'm using red, but you can pick any color you like. Ready for the grand finale? Pour about half a cup of vinegar into the bottle and stand back. Wow. Look at that eruption. Our volcano just came to life. It's like Mount Lava-tastic right here in the kitchen. Okay, so what's actually happening here? It's all thanks to a chemical reaction. When vinegar, an acid, meets baking soda, a base, they react to form carbon dioxide gas. That gas gets trapped in the liquid, creating lots of bubbles which push the mixture up and out of the bottle, just like an erupting volcano. The dish soap makes the reaction even more dramatic by adding extra bubbles, and the food coloring makes it look like real lava. Cool, right? Want to take your experiment to the next level? Here are some fun ideas. Use a bigger bottle and see if you can make an even bigger eruption. Try different colors of lava. A green volcano could look extra wild. Experiment with the amounts of baking soda and vinegar. What happens if you add more of one or the other? Science is all about experimenting and having fun while you learn. This volcano is a great example of how chemistry can turn everyday ingredients into something explosive and exciting. Thanks for joining me on Saturday. Science Explorers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an experiment. See you next week for more science fun.